Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to enable feature that is called the in-game overlay. Basically, the in-game overlay lets the notification to be sent to you while you are playing. For example, when someone send you like a playing request to play with you or in invitations, uh, so that you can be or to receive these invitations, you should have enabled the in-game overlay feature. To do so, you should just do these simple steps. The first things, we should go to our settings tab. Either you go to this menu and just click settings, or you can click on your username or nickname here, or the profile picture that appears here basically, and just go to the settings. Here you will find many tabs. We are interested in the application one. You will find it first in the My Account, but we want the application settings. And you just go to down. And here, as you can see, there is the in-game overlay feature. So if you have that turned off, you just enable it. So as you can see now, when I'm in game, those are the notification. You can choose which notification that you will receive, either the chat messages or the game invitations, or the friends and friends requests. You can choose and control everything from the settings. And if you want to disable it, obviously you should just click on it again and then turn off. But we want it here, so that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.